Hi all, this is Nidhi here. So today I am here to explain you the opportunity cost concept with the help of PPF curve. Now first of all we must understand what is opportunity cost. Since resources are limited, every time we make a choice of how to use those resources, we also choosing to forego other options. Economists use the term opportunity cost to indicate what must be given up to obtain something that desired. The most fundamental principle of economics is that every choice has an opportunity cost. Suppose you choose in your economics class to sleep. What is the opportunity cost here? The opportunity cost is the learning that you miss. So opportunity cost is the value of what you lose. Here you were missing the learning. So opportunity cost is the value of what you lose when choosing between the other options. The opportunity cost of a choice is what you gave up to get it. Now suppose you have two choices, either an apple or an orange. You decide to choose an apple. The opportunity cost is the orange that you could have chosen up but you did not. So you gave up the opportunity to take the orange in order to choose the apple. So opportunity cost is the value of opportunity lost. Now when you make a choice, you no longer has an opportunity to make an alternative choice with the given resources. Suppose your father gave you 1000 rupees to go and shop in the market. Now you already planned and chose to buy a jeans. Now with that money amount, you only choose either a jeans or a t-shirt, but you decide to choose a jeans. So with the given resources, with the given money, you decide to choose and you forego the other options. Now let us more focused the opportunity cost with the help of figure. Now this figure shows the trade-off between the food grains and clothes. Now suppose the country decides to increase its purchases of clothes. Purchases of clothes means increasing the purchasing of clothes. Now increases to purchase the cloth from 2 million meters at C to 3 million meters at D. Means previously country was producing 2 million meters of clothes, okay, at C point. Now country decides to increase its purchases of clothes to 2 million to 3 million at D point. Now what is the opportunity cost here? On the most fundamental level, the opportunity cost of moving from C to D is the what? Is the food grain that must be given up in order to produce extra clothes. Here in this example, the opportunity cost of 1 million meter of extra cloth is the 3 million food grains foregone. So in order to produce extra cloth, food grains must be foregone. So here opportunity cost of a decision is the value of good or service foregone. This is the opportunity cost concept. Now if you look the definition, opportunity cost is the cost of availing one opportunity in terms of loss of other opportunity. That I told you, apple and orange, you decide to choose an apple, but you gave up the opportunity to take the orange. So in other words, it is the cost of shifting resources. Means previously your food grain was at 12 million meter you were producing. Now you reduced it to 9 and you increases the cloth purchases. So it is the cost of shifting resources from one use to another. This is the opportunity cost. Hope you have understood. In the next session, I'll make you understand about total opportunity cost and marginal opportunity cost. Thank you.